To write the formula for hydrofluoric acid, we'll use this table here and work backwards. So when we look at the name for this acid, we can see it begins with hydro. So we use rules that apply to this type of acid. First, we'll write H. Next, we'll look at the stem, that's FLUOR, and then go to the periodic table and find the name for this element. When we do that, we see it's fluorine, and the element symbol is F. So far we have HF, but we do need to balance the charges. So we look at H, we know that's always +1, and then F on the periodic table, it's in group 17, sometimes called 7A. It has a negative charge. Positive and a negative, those add up to be 0, so the net charge is 0. Charges are balanced. That makes HF the formula for hydrofluoric acid. This is Dr. B with the formula for hydrofluoric acid, HF, and thanks for watching.